You've probably seen Minnah Crack Hair Oil all over social media, creators calling it a miracle growth elixir, and before-after clips that look almost unbelievable. But before we dive in, quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. I'm not selling this product, I'm reviewing it honestly, so you're not misled by hype and ads. I spent real weeks using this on different hair types, tracking results, and comparing what the brand claims versus what actually happened. So let's cut through the buzz and break down what this oil really does. First, let's talk about what's inside and how it feels in real life. Minnah Crack Hair Oil combines a bunch of botanicals and oils, things like castor oil, essential oils, and herbal extracts that are commonly used to nourish the scalp and hair. Applied daily, it definitely feels nourishing, lightweight, not overly greasy, and smells pleasant without being overwhelming. In terms of scalp comfort, folks with dry or itchy scalps reported less irritation after a couple of weeks, which suggests the formulation does help with moisture. But here's the catch. In my experience, and after talking to others who used it consistently for months as instructed, it didn't magically trigger dramatic overnight hair growth. Some users saw slightly improved thickness at the roots and less breakage, but those changes took time and weren't as dramatic as the viral ads make it look. So what's the honest verdict? Minnah Crack Hair Oil isn't a miracle cure, but it isn't worthless either. If you're looking for a nourishing hair oil that helps with dryness, reduces breakage, and improves scalp comfort, this product does deliver in those areas, especially if you already have a good hair care routine to build on. But if you're expecting major new growth in a few weeks, that's unrealistic. Results vary from person to person, and most changes were subtle and gradual, not instant. My advice? Treat this as a supportive product for overall hair health, not a fix-everything overnight solution. If this honest review helped you decide whether it's worth your money, hit like and subscribe for more no-nonsense beauty breakdowns.